RandomJosh, and I'm back again with another face mask Friday. And today, as you can tell, I am obviously out and about. We're not in the normal setting of my bedroom, so yeah, everything might be a little bit different. The audio might be a little bit off. The birds are chiming, chirping. Can't even speak. But yeah, so they're really going for it today. As you can see, this hair is a little bit crazy, and the eyebrows have never been done before, so I'm hoping, fingers crossed, I am definitely getting my hair done today, but I'm just hoping that I'll be able to squeeze in some eyebrows as well. And there are the parakeets. They've shut up now because I've like walked underneath them. Hi. Bloody birds. Yeah, they're starting off again. So yeah, I'm hoping that I'm gonna just get this haircut and fingers crossed get my eyebrows sorted as well. Because like I say, I've never done that before. And my neighbour actually does have a beauty parlour, salon, whatever you want to call it, near where I live. So I'm just kind of walking towards there now, and hopefully she's got some availability for me so that I can actually get these done. So we'll see if I can film inside, but if not, we're just going to see, you know, the finished product and just roll with it, really. So yeah, we'll see what happens. Definitely need it done though. Okay, there you go. So yeah, I literally got it all done now. So the brows are done. They look absolutely stunning. Look at how fresh they look. There's obviously still a little bit of wax and stuff like that, but a little clean-up action will get that right off. Yeah, and the hair is done. I got it like nice and short around the sides and just looking fresh. So, yes. Okay, hey again. So I wanted to kind of like come back into my room and use my lighting. I bought it for a reason. I want to show this off in all its glory. So, as I was saying earlier, yes, I have got my hair all done. It's looking pretty fresh right now. Nice and short, and just like a fair amount off the top as well. Not a huge amount, but just to get some of it off and just looking fresh, because, you know, you have to get these beauty treatments done because, you know, you want to look good. I'm still single, so I need to, you know, look attractive. But yeah, so this is actually like my first time getting my eyebrows done, so really, really nice. They look so good. I will probably, well, before you've even seen this video, before it's even posted, I will have already posted on my Instagram some details about these brows. The before and after pictures will be on there. And I obviously will be shouting out the lovely salon that did it for me. I actually have their pamphlet with me. So it is Silk Hair and Beauty. They are in Shirley, in Croydon. They do so many treatments. Obviously, like I said, it is my neighbour. So I've known her for like my whole life. She's been such a lovely lady, and she does some really amazing stuff. It's not just hair, the normal beauty stuff. Obviously they are doing hair, they're doing manicures, they're doing waxing, threading, facials, eyelash tints, brow tints, massages, lots of other fun packages and treatments like henna, all of those fun stuff. Radiotherapy as well. Well, not radiotherapy, but radio frequency hair reduction, IPL and MPL, thread vein and rosacea sessions and acne treatments. And they've even recently started doing things like Botox, fillers, all of those little bits and stuff, which is super, super amazing. So yeah, expect to see some more of that, because when I went in, instantly her face lit up and she's like, oh my god, you need to come in like more often, I can't believe you're here. I've been seeing your work, and I was like, oh. So I will be going back at some point soon to get some more, you know, treatments and fun stuff done. So be sure to stay tuned if you like those kind of things, because they will be coming in the future. Obviously, sorry I didn't film in there today. As it was my first time getting my brows done, I was a little bit like confused on what the process was and, you know, all of that jazz. So yeah, but I just can't believe like how wildly like different it makes my face look. It's not even like a huge change to the brows, it's just tidying them up and making them look neater. Because like I had like a load of just hairs that were just, especially around these bits, the hairs were just like kind of a little bit everywhere. So just having this little bit of treatment done just, you know, amps it up a little bit, and it's not a lot of money either. So definitely check out them on the social medias. I will be leaving their links down below. Also, I'll be leaving the links for my hairdresser as well, which is literally right next door to the salon. So they're right side by side. So if you're a dude and you want your hair done, you know, go and check them out. It's Cartel Barbers. They do some brilliant work. So they've been doing my hair for years now. So I kind of have to give them a shout out for making me look pretty. But yes, so definitely, like I said, check out down below for the links to see some of their work, some of their, you know, deals and all of that fun stuff. And if you do pop in, you know, let them know that RandomJosh sent you, and they'll know where they came from. Anyways, thank you so much for watching today's video. I really do hope that you've enjoyed it. Next time I do go into the salon, I will make sure to bring my camera and everything with me so that you can come on the little journey with me. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed, and I will see each and every one of you guys in the next video. Peace out, bitches.